Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. Thank you for joining me in on this one. I will be demonstrating today on if you're in Bahrain and you would like to use benefit pay to do a payment for your petrol. The best solution, the easiest solution is to use benefit pay, and specifically on that app you will have a Sadim card which you could apply uh, for the payment itself. Now, let me just go over the fact that it's very, very simple. There is nothing complicated at all about this. I'm just going to explain this situation that happened to me just a few days back. I was at a petrol station. I didn't have any cash on me, and sorry, they didn't accept a card. Any type of cards, they didn't accept that, and there was no ATM around. So the only solution I had was to apply by benefit pay, the payment itself. I tried using a dinar. It worked. It was very simple to do. And for anyone who never used benefit pay and who doesn't trust basically technology, my advice is you guys start using it because it's very simple. It's always connected to your ATM card. Nobody can steal this money. You top up a minimum of one Bahraini dinars, and it can go on for up to 10 or 20, whatever you'd like. Very, very simple solution. In case you guys don't have any cash on you, this is the best option. And the petrol station doesn't accept cards. So let's kick things off with the Benefit Pay app itself. So it brings you to the main screen, which is this is my card. I have two of them. One is Ahli, one is Ila. So what I did here was I went to the petrol station because I wasn't sure on how to apply this. So what you do is you go to Sadim. Once you click on Sadim, you have options, obviously. Now, before actually applying the payment, you have an option of selecting the closest gas station, but that means your GPS has to be enabled while you're using the app, which is going to make things easier to locate you and the nearest gas station. Um, so let's say you are kind of you're on your way to the gas station. You're not sure what is the name of the gas station that you're going to, yeah? And you'd like to know what it's called. So you click on closest gas station. It will automatically find you and the nearest gas station to you. So in this case, I have two here on the left. I'm gonna click on the left-sided one, which is gonna say Awali service station. Now, Awali service station is fairly close to me. You can either get direction, which gives you that option right at the bottom, or you can, once you're entering the gas station, there's gonna be a name like Awali gas station. You could do that as well. It's optional, like I said. Now, to do a top up, you're starting obviously with nothing on Sadim card. It's a virtual card. It'll give you absolutely zero balance since you apply. So what you do is you do the top up. You select the account you want to deduct from, which is I have at the moment Ahli and Ila. Usually I'm using Ila Bank. It doesn't really matter, but this is the way I do it. So you can do a top up of either 1 BD, 2, 3, and so on, 10, 20, doesn't matter. Now, as soon as you top up with 1 BD, you hit pay. And what that does is it will deduct from your ATM card this 1 dinar and uh, put it into the Cedin virtual card. So as you can see here, I've already attached 2 Bahraini dinars because for me that's efficient, that's enough. I could fill up like half a tank with this 2 dinars, so it's fine. Now, what I do next is I will be driving towards that gas station. Um, from my experience, what happened was I tell him to fill me up with 2 Bahraini dinars of, let's say, Jayyid. That's the one that I use to fill up the car. And he fills it up. As soon as that's done, what I do is I'm just gonna, point out that I'm gonna be paying with benefit. And the guy at the petrol station, he he does something with one of the machines. I think he unlocks it or he, puts in the amount or something like that. And what happens after that is, me as as a customer, I'm supposed to be paying by pump number. So just look at just look at the pump number. Basically, it's gonna say either one, two, three, and so on. Yeah. So Awali service station. It's gonna say pump number one, two, three, four, five. It could be any of these numbers. Now, all Bahrain has these pump numbers, so it's very easy to identify. As soon as he gives you that, um, like, you can press the pump number. As soon as he tells you it's okay, you can do it now. Then you just select the pump number, and that's it. That's all you have to do. They cannot charge you more than 2 BD. You tell him 2 BD, he charges you 2 BD, and that's the amount that's being deducted. That's the way I do it. That's the way I recommend you guys to do it. And honestly, I have not came across an easier way to pay for petrol in Bahrain so far. If anybody is a bit scared or is unsure of how this should be done, just watch this video, pause it when you need to pause it, try to analyze what I'm talking about, and just apply it. It's very, very simple to do so. It's a lot better. It's a lot more efficient. There's no contact with the person who's serving you this petrol, who's supposed to be taking money from you. You just talk to him, he does everything, and you just get your car filled up, basically, and do the payment at the same time. So yeah, I believe if this video was useful, just click on that like button there and leave a comment of what you think. And let me know about your experience as well. How was it the first time that you've actually used the app? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.